Hey guys, Dirt Junkie here. I just wanted to introduce you guys to the newest feature that I just finished today. Log Matrix. Not sure if the spacings are right. I haven't test ridden at any point during this process, so if I got it wrong, that's gonna suck. But we will find out because we are test riding it now. This is the hard part. These two rods aren't so length apart. And then when you get stuck on this middle one, it's hard to recover. I'm not sure if second gear is the right gear, honestly. That wasn't that smooth, but first gear did go a little bit better for me. I got through it. Rock almost takes me out just turning around. Last one was definitely cleaner. First gear wasn't bad. Okay, never do that. Never come into that next log with the wheel turned. That's how you fuck yourself up. Alright guys, just want to walk you through it real quick so you can, I'll talk about the spacing. So the main two spacings, and they're not perfect, but the main two spacings are, you have axle length apart, which is what these two spaces are here. And then you have full bike length apart, which is what these two are. Do the step up, come in here, enter here, hit the small space, then you have big space, and then small space, small space.